Hey guys, check out the fender side. I finished applying the primer and it's starting to dry now. I'm showing you here some side sections. See if you can maybe still see through the imperfections. It's kind of hard to see at night because it's only catching the light from that DeWalt stand I have and my little shop lights. But I'll do a follow-up video in the day once it fully dries too. Yeah, doesn't look too bad. It's not gonna be catching more rust. And I'll keep prepping this wood chipper for its final paint.